Grab an unlocked Samsung Galaxy A20 for only $219. Amazon is currently putting the Samsung Galaxy A20 on sale for just $219. That is not a huge discount from its regular price, but it's still $30 off, making an already very affordable smartphone even more affordable. The Samsung Galaxy A20 has been one of the most popular smartphones since it was released last year. And it's not hard to see why. It's a very capable smartphone that normally retails for under $300. Internally, the Galaxy A20 sports a 6.4-inch HD Plus display, powered by an Exynos 7884 with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage inside. There is also a 4000 mAh capacity battery that is powering this one. And considering the display resolution, the battery life on this one should be really good. It does also support fast charging at 15W, which is not quite the speed of the Galaxy S20 series, but still very fast. It does sport a dual camera setup, with a 13-megapixel wide lens and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens available on the backside. And it sports a teardrop notch on the front, for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy A20 is available unlocked, and since this is the US model, it does work on all 4 carriers. That includes Sprint, T-Mobile and Verizon, allowing you to easily pop in your SIM card and be ready to go. Samsung does also offer a 12-month warranty on the Galaxy A20. This is a really good phone to buy, if you don't need the latest and greatest out there. At just $219, this is a steal of a smartphone, and that battery is going to last you all day, making it great for hardcore users. You can pick up the Samsung Galaxy A20 from Amazon today by clicking here, but this sale won't last long, so you'd better grab it before it's gone.